Hey everyone, this is Mr. Reed. I'm here to show you and tell you all about your English 2 data sheet. So when you come in conference with me, you'll already have this information and you'll know exactly what I expect of you to do. Well, first things first, if you're in your English 2 data sheet, you should probably type your name. Now, you can go about this a couple ways, but I've found the easiest way is to click on the cell you want. For example, there, that's a cell. I'm clicking on the cell right now. But in this case, I want to put my name. So if you go up there and you've clicked on the cell, then you can come up to this bar right here, all white, you can see it, and type in your name. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Then type in your period, even though I'm in my own class all day. And that's it. So once you've done that, you're all set. The next thing you need to do is going to require you to go down to the very bottom of your screen. Not of the page, but of your screen. So I'm going to move the screen for you so you can see. And then as you look at the bottom of the screen, you should have 4 tabs. You have your data sheet, you have goals, you have reading data graphs, and you have PDSA. We're not going to worry about the reading data graph today or PDSA. The main thing I want you to worry about right now is data sheet and goals. And we're going to go to the goals tab right now. And I'm going to move the screen back up so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. Okay. Once you are on this page for goals, you'll notice it says 2 things that I will work toward achieving, 1 school-related goal and 1 personal goal. So these are goals that I'd like you to have typed up before you see me. So for conference 1, you're going to click on that cell and then you're going to come up here. And you may say, all right, I want a 94 in Mr. Reed's class this 6 weeks. And that would be great. Then you can add a personal goal. Now your personal goal could be anything. It could be you working on a weakness that you have. Say, for example, you know you're a procrastinator. And you think, okay, I'm also going to try to procrastinate less. You could put that down as your second goal. Or it could be something like, I'm going to try and make it to class on time every day. And that could be your other goal. So really that second goal is for you. But I want to know what it is so I can help you achieve it. So make sure that you have 2 goals. All right. Now we need to go back down to where all the tabs are and go to our data sheet. Once you are at your data sheet, I'm going to ask you, when you come up here, to enter in your Lexile score that you got from the reading screener. Now, what you'll do is you'll click on this cell like I've done. And then you'll come up here, and then you will use the arrow pad and get down to level. And then I will give you your Lexile score. Your Lexile score could be anything. Just for giggles, I'm going to put 1480. Okay. And then we're going to talk about where you should be. And let's say I'm really encouraged by you and I want you to go to 1600. So that will be the goal you aim for the next time you take your next screener. So there's that. The last thing I want you to see is where it says independent reading, use reading log to help you fill this in. So this is kind of your check sheet, your online reading log. You will have a paper one at some point, but again, click on the cell. You'll go up to the white bar, and then you're going to type in the title of your book, which my book is currently this is your brain on music. And then you need to type the author's last name, and his name is Levitin. Okay, and then when it says goal pages read, so that's how many pages you want to read. And that should always be how many pages are in the book. So for me, it's 308 pages because it is a very short read. That's a goal. Now, you're not actually going to put in total pages read, and I'm not worried about you looking at minutes. So that's everything for right now. I will be back with more. The last thing I want to say, though, as I scroll down here, is you will be expected to put in your star scores. You can find those by going to Skyward and looking under Student Preference. I am going to stop talking now. I hope you understand your data sheet. If you have any questions, obviously come talk to me. Thank you very much. Hope you're having a good day.